Today, I received a highly anticipated package from Huion. For those who don't know, this company specializes in making exceptional pen tablets and display tablets. Their products are known for their outstanding quality and performance at a reasonable price. Introducing the Huion Kamvas 13, a 13.3-inch display pen tablet equipped with fantastic features designed to empower artists, designers, and creators like you and me. We'll explore the remarkable features, accessories, and compatibility of this incredible tool. So, let's dive in. Inside the sleek packaging, you'll find the Kamvas 13 display tablet itself, and a bunch of other accessories you need for this. I will show everything one by one. First, we have a battery-free pen, with 8,192 levels of pressure. It looks cool, very sleek design and comfortable to use. Here we get a USB extension cable. Then we have a USB Type-C to HDMI and USB cable for the display and power. Here we have a pen holder. It comes with some extra nibs, which you can use when you've run out of your current nib. We also got a cleaning cloth for cleaning your tablet screen, a glove which is very comfortable, and a quick start guide. Huion has ensured that everything you need to unleash your creativity is right at your fingertips. The Kamvas 13 boasts a large, 13.3-inch full laminated display with a stunning 1920 by 1080 resolution. The fully laminated screen reduces parallax, giving you a natural and seamless drawing experience. Whether you're an illustrator, animator, graphic designer, or a digital sculptor like myself, the Kamvas 13's 120% sRGB color gamut ensures vibrant and true-to-life colors, bringing your artwork to life like never before. In comparison to my old pen tablet, which was the Wacom Bamboo, this one is significantly smoother and shows great promise to work with. Let's talk about the star of the show, the pen. The Kamvas 13's battery-free pen supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, delivering precise and fluid strokes. With virtually no lag, you can sketch, draw, and create with unmatched responsiveness. The ergonomic design of the pen ensures hours of comfortable use, allowing you to focus on your art without any distractions. Huion has gone above and beyond with the included accessories. The pen holder doubles as a stylish pen stand, keeping your pen safe and secure when not in use. With 8 replacement nibs, you'll have a long-lasting creative companion. Worried about compatibility? The Kamvas 13 is compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Android devices. It includes a USB Type-C cable that connects to the display. At the other end of the cable, there is an HDMI port, which you can link to your graphics card port, and a USB port for powering the device. After connecting the cable, just push the power up button and you are good to go. Once your tablet boots up, you can go to Huion website to download the drivers, so that you can customize the tablet. Go to the products. Now I will select my Kamvas 13. And I get to this page. I am gonna go to the download section where I find the download link of the driver. I am using Windows. Download the driver and install the driver. Once you installed that driver, you can see something like this. Here, you have the flexibility to perform all sorts of customization and settings, such as pen settings. Here, you can customize the buttons. You can assign your custom shortkeys to these buttons. You can go to pressure sensitivity adjustment to customize the pen pressure. You can adjust the curves to customize the strokes. In the pen display, you will get the working area to customize it and monitor calibration. And from here, you can assign your shortcut on these buttons, which are on the display tablet. The Kamvas 13 is incredibly versatile, working seamlessly with a wide range of creative applications like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Blender, ZBrush, and many more. I quickly fired up my sculpting software ZBrush to get the new experience. I sculpted on this thing for about 2 to 3 days and I already loving this as compared to my old tablet. The most significant difference from my previous tablet is the ability to draw directly on the screen, allowing me to pay more attention to sculpting details. Additionally, its bright and vibrant colors enhance the overall experience. As an artist, this thing has been a true game changer for me. I spent nearly 3 years working with my previous tablet, convinced that it was sufficient for my needs. However, the experience of drawing directly on screen is really something else. It truly feels like I can touch my sculptures directly, such is the level of immersion. Additionally, the pen pressure on this device is exceptionally responsive and enjoyable to work with. Initially, when I set up this display tablet, I must admit I felt a bit strange. However, as I gradually got used to it and started working on it, I developed a genuine fondness for this device. I don't actually use its customizable buttons because I'm more of a keyboard person. Instead, I place my keyboard behind it and access all my shortcuts from there. In conclusion, the Huion Kamvas 13 is an exceptional display pen tablet that redefines the creative experience, and I do recommend to check it out. I will add a link down the description of this video if you are interested. Let me know in the comment section which graphics tablet you are using, or you are working with a mouse. In the end, I say that these are just tools which can undoubtedly enhance and refine your art, but that will not teach you anyway. I myself started on a mouse and do my sculpting on it. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit a like button and do subscribe to my channel.